Good morning, students. This is 10th standard biology video class. In this video, we are going to revise the book inside question in the lesson Origin and Evolution of Life. Dear students, last video class we have revised Lamarckism and its principles, define evolution, origin of theories and their process. Now we are going to revise Darwinism and its principle, what is ethnobotany and its aspects in this video. Dear students, see the topic Darwinism or theory of natural selection. Charles Darwin proposed the theory of natural selection or Darwinism is the important one mark question in the year 1809 to 1882. He was the great naturalist and also philosopher in 18th century. He was born in England in the year 1809. While he was studying in his college, through his friendship with Professor J.S. Enslow, he was very much important towards the nature. And also he was very much interested in studies about the nature. At the time of British Admiralty, voyage of exploration, that means traveling by ship all over the world or in the particular region of the country, is known as voyage of exploration for 5 days. In a ship named HMS Beagle is the important one mark question, and also how many years the ship is going to be running around the world. 5 years is the important one mark question. Around which region, that means South America, is another important one mark question. 5 years. Name of the ship is HMS Beagle. In which country? South America. Dr. Enslow nominated a young naturalist for the voyage. That means he asked Darwin, who is young naturalist, as a voyage. During his 5 years experience, 1831 to 1835 voyage, he visited many parts of the world around South America. Whenever he has around the voyage for 5 years, he has visited 2 islands. One is the Galapagos Island and Pacific Island. Is an important one mark question. He had observed the nature of the land, plants and animals he has visited. After that, he was worked for a period of 20 years to develop his theory is known as theory of natural selection. He published his observations and findings and conclusions under the name is known as Origin of Species. Is an important one mark question. Charles Darwin published his conclusion observation under the name is known as Origin of Species in the year 1859. The book Origin of Species demonstrated the exact fact of evolution. This Origin of Species book elaborates on the theory of natural selection for evolutionary transformation. Evolutionary means பரிணாம வளர்ச்சி. So we already heard that குரங்கிலிருந்து பிறந்தவன் மனிதன், a proverb or a thought that should be proved by the naturalist named Charles Darwin in his book is known as Origin of Species. Next, Principles of Darwinism is the book inside. Important 2 mark and 4 mark and 7 mark question. First one, overproduction. Dear students, living beings have the ability to reproduce more individuals and form their own progeny. That means living organism has the capacity to produce their own kind or next generation. That production or reproduction is multiplied depending upon the geometrical manner. This will increase the reproductive potential leading to overprotection. So due to this reproductive nature, living organism producing large amount of next generation leads to overproduction. That means increase in population. Next one, struggle for existence. Due to the important vital activity, reproduction, living organism increase their population. So increase in population, that means makkal togai. Okay, increase in population leads to problem for existence. And also, due to overpopulation, it leads to food scarcity, living space for the organism living in the world. So, these organisms which are facing struggle for existence in their environment, so that they are fighting within the species or they are fighting to the other species or genus to survive in the environment. They are fighting with the other species or within the species. That is known as struggle for existence. This struggle for existence is divided into 3 types. One is intra-specific. Intra means same. Inter means different. Specific means species. I told you they are fighting within the species for food and space to survive in the environment. That is known as intra-specific struggling. See the definition: competition among the individuals of same species. That means they are fighting for food material and place to live within the species or same species is known as intraspecific struggle. Next one, interspecific. That means between the other organisms. That is said to be interspecific. For example, first one, intra. The lion which is fighting with other lion for the food and space is known as intra. Interspecific means the lion which is fighting with tiger or cheetah or deer, that is said to be interspecific struggling. See the second one, competition between the organisms of different species living together. Next one, environmental struggle. That means in the environment we are facing different climatic condition. To withstand, that means to live or survive, we have to face the different environmental condition such as heat or cold, drought condition, பஞ்சம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க, and floods now we are facing due to heavy rain. Past 1 month can affect the existence of organisms. That is said to be environmental struggling. Dear students, struggle for existence. Write a short notes on struggle for existence under the type. Is very very important. 4 mark question. Next one is the variation. So variation means differentiation. Each and every organism which are showing variation. For example, in your family members, you and your sister or a brother which are showing certain differences. That differences is known as variation. So all living organisms such as plants and animals showing the variation. This variation leads to evolution. Evolution means parinama valarchi, isn't it? So small variation leads to evolution is the important 1 mark question. According to Darwin, favorable variations are useful to the organism. Unfavorable variations are harmful or useless to the organisms. Next, survival of the fittest or natural selection. Dear students, during the struggle for existence, that means to live in the particular environment, the organism can able to overcome the challenging situation. That means they are facing different challenges in the environment for fighting against food, to live for a space, and also to meet out the environmental struggling, heat, cold, drought and flood. So they are survive and adapt to the environment. So organism sometimes they are facing the different challenges in the environment, unfit to survive. That means they are unable to live in the particular environment. So those organisms are disappear. That means they destroy. So that the process of selection of organism with a favorable variation is called a natural selection. That means the organisms which are selecting favorable differentiation or variation is called natural selection. So what is natural selection is the important 3 mark question. The answer is the process of selection of organisms with favorable variation is called natural selection. That is the important 2 mark question. What is natural selection? The last one is the origin of species. According to Darwin, new species originated by the gradual accumulation of favorable variation. So that means Darwin states that newly formed organisms are produced or originate by showing the gradual accumulation of favorable variation. That means the organism which are showing the different favorable variation makes the organism to survive in the particular environment for several number of generation. Paramparaya. Several generation, they are showing the favorable accumulation of variations leads to survive the organism in an environment. That is said to be origin of species. Dear students, next 4 mark question is flowchart showing the Darwinism. It's very, very important. Overprotection, first one. What all we studied in the paragraph, it's given in the form of flowchart. Struggle for existence, variation. So variation means the organism which are using the favorable variation, they can survive, isn't it? They are not using means they disappear. That's why they given into 2. Organism eliminated from the environment. Now coming to the right side, natural selection. They are selecting the natural factors. Survival of the fittest. They are ready to fit in the environment. Inheritance of acquired character. That several variable factors or variations are inherited. That means transfer from one generation to another generation. Then it will be accumulated in their body. That means gradual accumulation of favorable characters. Then they survive in the environment and produce their generation. That is said to be origin of new species. So this is the flow chart showing Darwinism is the important 4-mark question and 2-mark question. The last topic of in this lesson is ethnobotany. What is ethnobotany is the important 2-mark question. What is ethnobotany? Write its important is the book back 4-mark question. Kindly make a note in your textbook. So that is why given here. Ethnobotany is the study of a region of plants and their practical uses through the traditional knowledge of the local culture of people. That means the tribal people, பழங்குடியின மக்கள் or மலைவாழ் மக்கள் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையா. So those people know the practical usage of medicinal plants. That should be studied by the other people is known as ethnobotany. It is a branch of botany, study of the region of plants, particular region of a plants and their uses through their traditional knowledge. That means from the tribal people of the local culture of people is known as ethnobotany. Is a 2-mark question. The term was coined by J.W. Hausberger. Is the important 1-mark question in the year 1895. So this ethnobotany explained existed for ages, age of a people, trees. And also ethnobotany emerged as a distant academic branch of natural science in 20th century. The next important 2-mark question is aspects of ethnobotany. That means by using this ethnobotany, we can able to find out the problems of nutrition, that is food material, health care, maintaining our health, life support system, faith in plants which are giving the medicinal value, producing small cottage industries, குடிசை தொழில் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க, economic upliftment, we are increasing our economical value or position, conservation of biodiversity, that means the plants and animals which are present in the environment are preserved for future use, and sustainable use of a plant resources. That means we are maintaining the plant uses for the future generation. So these are all the different aspects of ethnobotany. Dear students, up to this we have revised book inside questions of origin and evolution of life. Remaining we will see in the next video class. God bless you. All the best, children.